Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Yauatcha Chinese New Year pineapple pastries. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box are Yauatcha's Chinese New Year pineapple pastries. And just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding out the inner box packaging or sliding off the sleeve, as we can see here. We're just going to set that to the side, so just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop. And now taking a look at the box itself. So we can see it does have an all-round pink color. And now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding the inner box tray out and making sure that we've got all the contents out on the box packaging. And we can set that inner box to the side, so just setting that on the right hand side of the table and just setting the contents across the tabletop, so we have a full and clear look at the details of this Yauatcha Chinese New Year pineapple pastries box packaging. So let's start off by taking a look at this card. So there is a Gong Hei Fa Choi card here. With some background about the pineapple pastries and some of the ingredients. So just setting that to the side. And now taking a look at the tray itself, and let's lift up the protective cushioning or padding and just setting that to the side. And now we have a full and clear look at the 8 pieces of pineapple pastries and giving you a look right there directly inside of the box with a grid of 8 square pineapple pastries, or at least squarish, as far as we can see top down. And we can see the pink rabbit buttons on some of them. And now let's lift the piece off and take a closer in look. And to give you some sense of its size, of course, resting it in my palm right there. And now let's take a much closer in look at this Yauatcha Chinese New Year pineapple pastry. So it does have an overall square shape. And just giving you a look up close and trying to get the camcorder to focus in on the details. And now let's break it in half to see if we can see the inside of it. Okay, perhaps not. Let's have a taste so that we can see the cross section more clearly. So you can see the outer pastry with the inner jam filling, which is made out of pineapple. So a caramelized pineapple jam for the filling of this pineapple pastry or petite pineapple tart. So looking right there inside. And now we can perhaps break it off so you can see the insides more clearly. So the outside you can see buttery and crumbly pastry for its outer shell, and the pineapple jam inner filling. So nice and smooth in taste without being too strong. So just having another taste right there. And giving you another look. And let's finish that piece off. And giving you a look at the rest of the Yauatcha Chinese New Year pineapple pastries. And now let's pick another piece, this time round one without the rabbit button on it. So giving you a look right here at the overall details. You can see that it does have a pale beige or very light brown coloring to it. And let's break it in half. This time round you can see without the pink rabbit button in the way. You can see the details of that thick but soft and buttery outer shell pastry and that inner pineapple jam filling right there. Okay, so I'm gonna pop the bigger piece in my mouth for a taste. So really soft and tangy in taste, the pineapple pastry. And let's finish this final piece off. And giving you a look at the rest of the remaining pieces from this 8-piece box. So that's the Yauatcha Chinese New Year pineapple pastries. Thanks for watching and happy eating!